Looks like the rain diverters I had installed aren't really working 100%. I'm going to get up on a ladder and see what's going on. There is some water coming off the corner and the fascia board. This is the southeast corner of the garage roof. Looks to be a torn tile there at the end. I don't think that's the problem though. This new downspout is doing good, at least what it's supposed to do, and it's watering the weeds here. The diverter on the southwest corner of the garage roof seems to be working pretty good. The rain diverter on the northwest corner of the roof seems to be working properly. This is the problem area of the roof where it's soft underneath the overhang. I'm not sure how the water's getting around the diverter, but it is. Maybe it's because of the rolled over tile there at the end. Could be that's all that's happening, but it's getting on the fascia board from somewhere. I'm glad I had the drip edges put in. Still, that's not good. This new downspout seems to be doing the job. Draining into the gravel here. Northeast corner, not so good. The southeast corner rain diverter is working good. Southeast corner downspout is working good.